Are you searching for the best pressure cookers? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best pressure cookers in 2025, which save you time and money.
Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2. It's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time.
Number 5. Pressure cooker stainless steel explosion-proof multifunctional material. The pressure cooker is made of stainless steel, which is high temperature resistant and not easy to wear and tear. Such material choice can ensure the quality and service life of the pot, making it more durable and reliable. Efficient in fast cooking, pressure cookers are able to cook food under high pressure environment, which increases the boiling point of water, thus speeding up the cooking speed. Compared with traditional stewing, pressure cooker can greatly save time, while retaining more nutrients of the ingredients. Multifunctional design, the pressure cooker can not only cook rice and stew, but also steam, porridge, noodles and other cooking methods. It has the feature of one-pot multi-purpose, convenient and practical to meet different cooking needs. Intelligent protection, the pressure cooker is equipped with a safety valve and a pressure limiting device, which can intelligently control the internal pressure and ensure the safety of the cooking process. This can effectively prevent explosions and other accidents. To protect the user's safety, universal, the pressure cooker is suitable for all kinds of induction cooktops and open flame stoves, and conducts heat quickly, not picking the stove. This means that the pressure cooker has wide applicability and can be used on different stoves, which is very convenient. Handle design, the pressure cooker is equipped with a comfortable and humanized safety handle with self-locking valve, which is non-slip, leak-proof, heat-insulating, easy to use and safe to open. Safety devices, pressure limiting valve, when the pressure reaches 80 kPa limit, pressure automatically released. Without pressure relief cannot open the pot. Anti-blocking cover to prevent clogging, to maintain smooth exhaust.